Hey there, I'm Brendan from Farm at Hand, here to tell you a little bit more about how you can start tracking what's happening on your farm with a Farm at Hand standard account. A standard account gets you started tracking your farm information. Keep track of everything that's happening on your fields, like planting and spraying, and the details that go along with it. Track your bin information as grain moves across your farm so you know exactly what you have on hand, whether you're in the yard, in the field, or even at the lake. Manage your harvest loads right from your mobile device. Manage your equipment details and maintenance reports in one easy to use place. Keep tabs on your garage by noting things like parts and oil changes. Control your sales and delivery contracts by having your information organized in the app. Get started now with a standard account. We offer a free test drive so you can see what the app can really do. Take it for a spin with a limited number of records and make the best decision for your farm. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, we'd love to chat. You can reach us through the support channel in the app or email us at support@farmathand.com. Happy farming.